In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule an appointment with Cashplus, also known as Zempler Bank, in our comprehensive 2025 guide. Whether you're seeking customer service support, need to talk about credit management, or report a lost or stolen card, this guide should help you navigate your way through their contact system effectively. Let's begin by heading over to the Cashplus Bank website. Once you're there, your first step will be locating the Contact Us section. This is usually found on the main page or under a support menu. Clicking on Contact Us will take you to a dedicated page brimming with various contact options. Now that you're on the contact page, scroll down until you come across a list of contact numbers. You'll find phone lines categorized to suit specific needs. There are different numbers for UK customer service, credit management queries, and a 24/7 helpline dedicated to lost or stolen cards. It's essential to select the number that best suits your specific requirement to ensure you're connected to the right department. Next, scroll a little further to explore the section dedicated to business partners and affiliates. Here, you'll spot a hyperlink labeled Here. Go ahead and click on that. This will lead you to discover an email address for their partners team, which can be handy if your query aligns with business relations or partnerships. For those involved in media-related activities or seeking information for press inquiries, it's back to the main Contact Us page. Media inquiries often have a separate section, so take advantage of that for streamlined communication. If you find yourself needing to file a complaint, the process also starts on the Contact Us page. Look for a link reading "Here's what to do" and click on it. This will unveil additional instructions along with a mailing address and an email address dedicated to processing complaints. It's a more in-depth approach designed to ensure that your concerns are addressed efficiently. Occasionally, you might need to schedule an official meeting. While as of 2025, Cashplus doesn't offer an online appointment scheduler, there are still effective alternatives. You can send an email with the details of your request, specifying the reason for your meeting and your preferred time to streamline the appointment process. Alternatively, their customer support team can be contacted via phone to arrange a callback or help set up a meeting with a specialist. It's also worth checking your account portal or app, as some account plans might offer built-in scheduling features. In conclusion, even without a dedicated online appointment tool, numerous methods exist to facilitate communication with Cashplus representatives. Familiarizing yourself with these options ensures your inquiries are handled promptly and effectively, paving the way for a smoother banking experience.